AIRSYS designs, develops, manufactures and installs, commissions and maintains precision cooling systems for telco exchanges, transmission cabins and also data centres. AIRSYS is unusual in the cooling space in the fact that we sit very comfortably with the telcos that historically have used fresh air in some of their estate. And we also sit very comfortably in the white space, the data centre space, where traditionally they've never used fresh air. And because of our experience, deep experience of both sides of those things, we are very comfortable in amalgamating these two technologies. Fundamentally, people spend money with us because they're looking to improve the efficiencies in their organisation.